So we're up Wardlaw Hill in Caerlaverock, and we've come up on a wild goose walk to hopefully hear and see some of the geese that frequent the Solway this winter. Hope to see barnacle geese. We've actually already heard some and seen some down on the mud flats. We're just listening out for the pink feet, which are quite a distinctive call. So they're kind of pink, pink, wink, wink to say the name. Just have it. So I hope I shouldn't have done that actually, so people get excited now. It was fully booked twice, so it's 15, then we added 5 on, there's 20, and there's more than 20. A lot of eager folk. So yeah, eagerly waiting to hopefully hear and see some geese. I think it'll be a memorable evening for everyone, it always is.